Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 105, part 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojing right now, she said, let's separate. Well, it was really shocking. Xiao Su, she looks really surprised and asked her, why? Well, of course, she will be surprised suddenly. The two of them are still happy, but after the award ceremony, Xiao Jing suddenly changed. Now, Xiao Su, she was really confused. Seems that she looks gonna cry. Well, looking at her, poor Xiao Su. Xiao Jing, she really want to dump her. Jing said, I failed 4 times and I don't know how many times I have to go back side by side with you. Now, saying this, of course, it really hurts her. Now, she's trying to explain her side, but I have enough of this torture. So, this is it. She feels that it really feels terrible. That's why she really gave her. Well, as of the moment, Xiaoshu, you want to stop her and said to her, it's just because of the movie? Well, of course, for her, it was really nothing, but Xiaojing, she really feels frustrated. 4 years of the row. It really makes sense. She feels terrible for herself. Xiaojing, you just have bad luck. Look carefully. Look carefully, Xiaojing said to her. Even though Xiaoshu wanted to try to calm her down, of course, Xiaojing, she was really sure to herself. Wait, it's just because of the movie? Do you know, what can I get to you at your fingertips but I can ask for it? Now, it really makes sense for her. Suddenly, Xiaojing, she paused after saying things to Xiaosu. This is really too much for her, especially someone is teasing her. Right now, she can think of anything but just to leave her. Xiaosu said, why can't you ask for it? As long as you want, we can always find opportunities. Oh, this is the revolting. Right now, of course, Xiaojing, she will never ask Xiaoshu about this, especially opportunity. Of course, for Xiaoshu, she can easily get whatever she wants, but for Xiaojing, she really want to get things with her own self, not to ask anyone to help her. She want to get things over on her own hand. Just let Vo Yixing go sleep with me for a smile for me. Xiaojing suddenly said Vo Yixing. Now, looking at Xiaoshu, seems that she got really shocked. Xiaoshu, do you know what Vo Yixing is about? Well, this is really terrible. It's like the secret is being revealed and now, all of it, it really exhausts Xiaojing. That's why she really feels terrified. I just hate myself for knowing too late. The sky is getting dark. Right now, thinking about it, Vo Yixing fate for me. Because of that accident, Vo Yixing, she cannot able to bear a child in the future. Can even know for the rest of my life. Now, the two of them suddenly silent. Well, Xiaojing is being exhausted. Add-ons, Vo Yixing's case. Now, it really makes sense to her. It's like everything happened because of her. That's why Xiaoshu right now, she want to try her to calm this matter. Someone's got interrupted them. Xiaoshu's phone is continue ringing. Now, it's really annoying. Xiaoshu, she was looking at her phone. Suddenly, she paused. The phone's still ringing. She was about going to drop the call. She turned off the phone and said to herself, I didn't control this matter. Xiaoshu said to Xiaojing. Of course, right now, Xiaojing, she was really sure to herself. She seems to be shaky. At first, we just wanted to transfer Sun Tingyu's attention to you. Well, right now, just trying to explain to her, but Xiaoshu, but I didn't even expect. Someone's got interrupted then. The phone is continue on ringing. Now, Xiaoshu, she got really impatient. Of course, she took her phone and turned it off. Then, two of them still got interrupted. Well, where the commotion is still too hot, Xiaoshu, she's trying to defend herself. Also trying to explain to her. In short, Xiaojing, I don't want you to leave because of this. Xiaoshu said, I will compensate for Yixing. Now, she's trying to get off. Well, this is the bad thing. Xiaoshu sometimes, what she wants to do in this life is to compensate anyone. Like, she was rich, she can do anything about it. This is Xiaojing, and this is not the way she wants to live. If you care about comparisons to the others, you could also try to quit in this entertainment industry. Well, after hearing this, of course, Xiaojing right now, she kept herself quiet. Well, she was really aware of it. Now, she was really convinced to herself. Looking at it, even though Xiaoshu, she has her own way, trying to calm down Xiaojing. Of course, the two of them are not the same in personal life beliefs. Xiaoshu, she's calling Xiaojing. Now, she's trying to approach her. She stood up and wants to try her to calm down. Xiaojing was still there. She was looked down on the table, trying to calm down herself. I just want you to be by my side all the time. Everything else is fine. Now, she's holding in one arms. Now, Xiaoshu, she was really shaking. Hearing everything news from Xiaojing, of course. About the compensation, she's trying to compensate for Yixing. Xiaojing, it's not a proper right to treat Boy Yixing like that. And right now, Xiaojing, she pushed away Suhishi. Suhishi, your thinking has always been more mature than me. Xiaojing said to her. It really makes sense to her. She's going. Hey guys, there's a part 2. Let's wait for it for a little. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join in the membership by joining the click button. Thank you. Bye.